We're up when the rooster crows, clock in when the whistle blows. 8 hours ticking slow, and then tomorrow we'll do it all over again. I'm a member of a blue-collar crowd. They can never, no, they can't keep us down. If you gotta label me proud. I belong to.
Hello everyone, I'm going to be showing you our pets. And there's going to be a kitty, goats, and chickens. Oh, also a rooster. I hope you like it. Alright, first up, this is Rhodey. Rhodey, she's one of our kitties. We got her for free from my dad, Mr. Mosby's sister. And she's a really nice cat. She has a little bell right here. And she wants to go now. Mwah. Really nice kitty. Bye, kitty. Come on. Okay, next up, let's do a goat. That's Barbie. She's like scared of everything. Barbie, yeah, funny name, huh? This is Chip and Elmer. This is their playground hut thingy. Come on. This is my goat, Chip. This is Elmer. This is Chip. That was just smelling the camera. Next up, we're gonna see one lay a egg. Is she there? See, she's laying an egg. That's laying an egg. They lay green, blue, I think pink, and red. Yeah. Don't forget brown. And that's Harry's chicken. That's I think, yeah, it's Harry's chicken. The videotaping. That's Lucky the rooster. And then that's Mystique, my chicken, and Pickle's back there. Funny. This, she can like barely even walk. That's her. Nice cheeks. And then we're gonna show you guys a feeding. I just don't know where my mom is right now. Oh boy. Okay. We're gonna feed them right now. Corn? Hey, you, ow! Ah, that was a pecker. Wow. Ow. Oh, stop pecking me. That's all they do is peck and peck and peck. Come here. Hey, rooster. You want some? Lucky. We found Lucky on a bridge back there. Oh yeah, I already showed them. Pickle wants some more food. Yay! And this time I'm gonna feed the goats. Okay, they're back here. Look at it, it's crazy. No. Ooh, that tickles. No, don't get any. Hey. This is Barbie. She's crazy. For fun, stick your hand up, grain and hay, and then just eat it up. You guys might have been to where they keep animals and have stuff. It's really fun, and I bet you guys did. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.